How to post a video on Instagram, not reel. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Instagram application first and get logged into your Instagram account. Then tap on this plus icon on your bottom bar. Now, in order to post a video and not a reel, you have to make sure that your video file is more than 15 minutes. If not, it will be uploaded as a reel. And once you find a video that is more than 15 minutes, you can just select it, tap onto next, and here you can type in your caption. Once done, tap onto share. And just like so, if your video is more than 15 minutes, you can post it as a video and not as a reel. That is all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.